Come test drive the 2019 Ford Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, MP3 player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.